Hey everyone, so I just got a package from JAVVY and I cannot wait to share with you guys all the things that I got. I've seen their viral coffee all over and I cannot wait to try it with you guys. So let's do a little unboxing. So the first flavor I got is the mocha flavor, French vanilla, caramel, and their original. So first off, I love this packaging. It's super clean and simple and it just looks so delicious. And one thing I personally have been trying to increase in my overall diet is protein. And I know one of those ways that would be the best way to do it is getting it into my coffee. So the fact that they have protein coffee with 10 grams of protein is just like the best. And so that's why I literally cannot wait to try. And I've tried mixes before where I put like the protein in my coffee and it's pretty chalky and clumpy. And so I'm hoping this one is the opposite of that. And if you're new to coffee, it's basically protein and coffee. And it's the perfect way to combine your morning coffee with your protein. And each scoop of JAVVY has 10 grams of protein and 40 milligrams of caffeine. But I've heard most people go with 2 scoops to get 20 grams of protein, which is a huge plus. Because not only are you getting 20 grams of protein, but also 80 milligrams of caffeine. And because these only have 70 calories per scoop and 0 sugar, it's amazing if you're trying to stay in a calorie deficit or just make better choices. So throughout the week, I will be tasting these out for you guys and we'll do a little taste test to see which one's my favorite and give you my honest thoughts. So we'll try them throughout the week. I'll give you guys a little rundown of my overall thoughts of which flavor is my favorite. And if you guys are interested, I have a discount code for you guys. It's Amanda35182. So you can get yourself a little discount for yourself. So without further ado, let's go ahead and try these out. Okay, the first flavor I had tried was caramel and that one was really good. It actually exceeded my expectations because I put protein in my coffee before and was not a fan of it, so I was pleasantly surprised and the caramel was so good. But today I'm really excited to try this flavor. Today we're gonna try mocha, so let's see how this one tastes. Here's a little taste test of the mocha. Oh wait, I think I kind of like this one more than the caramel. This one's so good. Alright, so far the mocha one is my favorite. It tastes so good. I also wanted to mention some of the other reasons why this coffee is a 10 out of 10. Not only does it taste great, from the tasting as we can tell, along with getting 10 grams of protein per scoop, it has prebiotics, MCTs, made with 0 sugar and 100% real coffee, so it's naturally derived and free from all those unwanted additives like stevia or fillers. So you're really getting a great blend of flavor and nutrition. So today we're gonna try the last 2 flavors we have yet to try, which is French vanilla, which I'm really excited about, and original. So the last 2 coffees, I made them with water. So today I'm gonna try it with milk and see how I like that. The French vanilla, and 1 scoop of the original. Just gonna use my frother to mix these up. Okay, that looks delicious. Here's what that looks like, getting all mixed up, nice and frothy. Okay, then I'm gonna add some ice. Here is our French vanilla. Looks so good. How is this one also so good? Oh my gosh. The flavor I tried before this was mocha and I thought that was my favorite, but I'm like, wait, the French vanilla is also so good. It tastes so delicious, such a good coffee flavor. I feel like you don't even need creamer, but it's nice that you can add that as an option if you want. Okay, here's the original. And this one's a little bit stronger, so for this one, I'm gonna try with creamer. So I know a lot of people add their favorite creamers to it, so I'm just gonna add a caramel flavor. I didn't add any creamer to the other ones I tried. Okay, so now out of the 4 I've tried, I think French vanilla and mocha are my top 2 favorites. I highly recommend. It's just Such a great way to get your protein in and get your caffeine in. I'm literally gonna devour this. It tastes so good and something to start your day off right. If you're interested in trying JAVVY for yourself, I do have a discount code. I'll leave it up on the screen for you guys to try. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.